Yesterday I asked you what you would ask for from life if you were more selfish, if you dared to be more selfish. I think it's very important to do that sometime. You know, we are often caring more about what other people want us to do than what we want to do. So you really have to assess it once regularly. What is it that you really want? Okay? Now, other people are the opposite. They think only of themselves. They're very often selfish. And sometimes they seem to be getting ahead quicker than others. But in fact, looks can be deceiving, you know, because they may be winning on one front, but losing their soul, you know, selling your soul to the devil kind of thing. Today, I want you to think of what would you do if you had more resources, if you were more empowered? What would you do for others, for society, or for the environment? For the ancient Greeks, the middle was the ideal place to be. The middle, the golden mean, as they say, harmony and balance. Being in that beautiful, sweet spot, that is where the quality of life can be found. That is where Eudaimonia, happiness, can be found. And while I'm on the topic of Eudaimonia, in May, I'm launching my first course on Stoicism. It's a 30-day course, and I'm just preparing for it. I'm filming, you know, I'm making the videos for that. The 30 videos are going to be they're going to be gems. Really, I've been filming them for the past 2 years, and now I'm just putting it all together into this beautiful 30-day course. So stay tuned, that's coming up in May. Meanwhile, carpe diem, άδραξε τη μέρα, as we say in Greece.